wey be popular person wey dem know, person like me wey dem know, nobody fit do anything. Na people orphanage wey dem no know from anywhere na dem dey give 250 million. It's so funny. Look, I go advise Nigerians and black people, make we wise up, make we stop all these things, make we stop am. Because see, oyibo people no dey do all these things, so dem no dey do am at all. All wetin we dey do dey look so funny. No be say I say make dem give money to orphanage na bad thing o, because I don be ambassador to an NGO, and this NGO I no dey collect 1 naira. But funny enough, when I get depressed, get that problem, the NGO sef no respond. You see wetin how black man sense be, you see how we be.
Again, then get there go the pose. Hey, chai. Now Papa Fryo, now I can't be this one. Now in sickness just carry like this. My darling people, not be small thing. Oh, may you pray. Oh, may you not get sickness. Sickness go can't change person like the way they change your little Jacob. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Papa Fryo. Baba Fryo, una many of una know am. He dey sing. Now those ones start music that year. Una remember that music that time. Yo. When I even see am, no come know am again. Now my friend wey come send am for me say, Lady J, may you talk for this thing o. Say, when I not remember that man wey sing, they go dey degen, they go dey pose, they go dey waka kuruke, they go dey pose. He say, when I not remember, now I say, ooh, when he come talk, and I say, okay, Baba Fryo. Now I say, in the sick, he say, they sick oh. I know many of you remember when Davido, when he talk, say, he want know who his friends be, say, may his friends give him 1 million. I hope many of you remember that day. So now, many people can't give Davido money, not be small. The money where Davido still reach 150 million when he see for the money. Then he can add the own join everything can be 200 million. So Davido can carry that money, go give orphanage home people where they suffer. People can say, Davido really do am well. He really do am well. Like, he really good the way he take do am. But the one way can just shocktalize everybody, na be say, Davido can give orphanage, he good. But Baba Fryo can cry, come and say, Davido, you won't even know, say, in the sick, as me with you close reach, not be say you don't know. You know what in the pass through. You know if even help him with money, may take go hospital when you know, say, in they in need of money. Now they say, come shocktalize everybody, say, Davido, you for still help this Baba Fryo now. You know in condition, you go carry money, go give orphanage. At least even though na half you can't give orphanage, you still give half to am. You see, help am. As far as say you they aware of his sickness, you they aware, say in the sick, you for help am. Davido, you not doing well. Really, the truth have to be said here. You not doing well, my brother. So the thing can't provoke Papa Fryo. Now he can't talk, come out, he can't do video. Say, Davido, you where you know waiting in the past through, you not feel help am. And say this life no balance. So my darling people, pray may you not sick oh. Pray may not happen to you. And that time you go know people will really be there your side. You understand? So the thing can't just shocktalize everybody. And with the video where Papa Fryo take talk, I go see put am make una see wetin he really talk, because the thing really dey painful. Say when my own friend know wetin me dey pass through, you know fit help me, you carry money 200 million go give orphanage where you know say in dey die slowly, and you know wetin dey happen to am. For that one, Davido, you not do one way at all. You not do one way. So many people they say why Baba Fryo go can't do that kind of thing. At least the people when they give in a good thing. Yeah, nobody talks say not be good thing. Wetin people they quarrel for be say Davido know wetin Baba Fryo they pass through. He not even say make it help am with that big money wey dey with am. But he can't see money take go help take go give orphanage. At least if I still help him wey be say him dey sick for inside body ever since. Davido should not just one way at all, my brother. The truth have to be said, yeah. May you try, I beg, anything at all. May you try, may you help this our brother. We don't want me into sick, meme. The way you can't even be, you don't go even believe saying that Papa Fryo na be this one at all. It just change. Hey. The way it take change, you know just good, eh? My darling people. It not just good at all. It really changed. Like, it must come big. It can't look tattered. The way it look, it not just good at all. It not just good at all, my darling people. The way it can look now. So now it make, I can't say no, I must do this video. Make I just stay, tell our people, say, Papa Fryo see they there where they sick. So anything we be say, una go fit do more na help am abeg. More na help am. Because he really need help. He really need help, like seriously. So I go put the video now. More na see am wey in the talk, the verse say Davido know wetin in the pass through. He carry money go give orphanage. At least if I see help him. Whether he offend am, he no know. So my ogbonge people, more na listen to this video. Bye.
Tag Lagos State. None of them shake body. Now wickedness won't call them or na ignorant. But today now they see 250 million. They say they want to distribute to orphanage all over Nigeria. It dey too funny. So I go advise Nigerians, make we open our eyes, make we know things when it dey go on, and some things when it be say not dey right, make we dey shun am. Now my own, now I just talk so. Now I dey see 200 million, they dey post am everywhere. Say Davido want to, they give money to orphanage. They get five-man committee to distribute that money. Everything sounds funny to me. To me, if I see people they do good, I appreciate them. Not because I say a bad thing, but I did want to ask people, say, person like me, where cry out, when people know where cry out. They not fit help the person where they know. Now people where they not know, where we not they see their face. Now then they help out with 250 million. What would they think? Shall we call that on wickedness? Or would they call that on ignorance? What we open our eyes well. Even this Nigerian government self, Delta State government, I tag them. I tag River State. I get things when they see for social media. They give 200 million to orphanage, and then 50 million make everything 250 million to orphanage. To me, the thing they did funny to me. I remember when I did depressed, they tagged many of my colleagues. They tagged Davido, they tagged Two-Face, they tagged other people. But none of them respond. Now people will never see me for this live, people will not know me. Now them respond. I can put up, say, yes, I see people like you and other people, Choki, all of them, at least they responded with them, they call me, they interview me. But this 200 million, when I see, when I hear, and they see from social media, it surprise me. If person like me